Pause your scroll. Imagine a world where cats speak not in meows, but in subtle vibrations. These microscopic tremors, from a tail tip twitch to a chest purr, are more than quirks. They're coded messages. Recent studies reveal that cats use body vibrations to coordinate group actions, warn of threats, or even comfort each other. While humans barely notice, fellow felines sense these signals instantly, creating an invisible web of communication. It's a hidden language, refined over centuries, that binds feline communities closer than ever before.